So my way was the picture, and was the proof drawing. And what I did was there was 1,000, so then I crossed that off, and then because I needed to borrow 500, so I crossed that off, and I made 100. I made 10 hundreds, and then I crossed out 5 because this was subtraction. So I crossed out 5 hundreds. Then I crossed out one more so I could have 10 tens and take away 5 of them. So then I took away another so I could have 10 ones and take away 5. So I took away 5, and that left me with 445.
My name is Maddie. I did the ungrouping method. I took away 0, then 10, then 9. Then I went next door, took away 0, then take away 10. Then now I have 9. Then I crossed off the 0. Then I made a 9 with 10. And then I have 10 minus 5 equals 5. Then 9 take away 5 equals 4. Then 9 take away 5 equals 4. So the answer is 444.
Hi, my name is Mace, and I did the ungrouping method. So I took away 0, and I made it into 10, and then took the other 0 and took away 10, and then took away another 0, and then made it 10, and then I took a 1 and made that into a 0, and then the 10 turned into a 9, so I crossed that off the 10, and then the other 10 I crossed off and turned it into a 9, and then the other 10 it stayed at the 10, and then I did 10 minus 5 equals 5, and 9 minus 5 equals 4, and 9 minus 5 equals 4. And then I checked my answer, so I did 445 plus 555, and I did 5 plus 5 equals 10, and I carried the 1, and then I did 4 plus 5 equals 9, and then 1 plus 1 more equals 10, and I put the 1, and then carried it, and put the 0 under that, and then I did 4 plus 5 again equals 9, plus 1 more equals 10, which equals 1,000, which means I got the answer right.
My name is Andrew. I did 1,000, and I crossed it off and made 10 hundreds, and I crossed 5 off and then crossed off 1 more to make 10 tens, and crossed off 5 and then crossed off 1 to make 10 tens, and crossed off 5, and my answer was 445.
So I X'd the 10, and I used my fingers to count and then to X the numbers, and when I saw, and then I X'd 9 again, I did the same thing, and the answer was 4, and then when I got the 9 and I X'd it, I knew it was like that. Like, you have to X the 9 because 2 9, it was tricky, and then I put 4, and the answer was 445.
I used the adding up method, and I used 545 plus blank equals 1,000. So I added plus 5 equals 550, plus 50 equals 600, plus 400 equals 1,000. My answer was 455.